Thanks for stopping by at Real Time Welding. Today we have a 2F T-joint, 3/16 mild steel. I'm going to weld it with a 332 7018 low highs. I'm running at around 90 amps or so. And when I light up on this, I'm going to light up about an inch or so ahead of the starting point and circle back around. You'll see that throughout the video. That gives that rod time to heat up. It makes those starts and stops a lot smoother. I'm using a drag angle on this joint the whole time. Trying to hold my rod angle 45 degrees or so from the workpiece until the last pass on top. Here I am lighting ahead of my stop to make that tie-in go a lot smoother. Then I'll just weld back over all my arc marks. Won't ever see them. That could have cleaned up a little easier. Now on this bottom pass, I'm just gonna make sure that the top part of my puddle is covering up at least half of that first pass all the way down the joint, and we should be good. Here's another restart. Struck up inch or so ahead of the tie-in. Circle back around. Took off again. Nothing to it. Now for this final top pass, I'm gonna change my rod angle. I wouldn't say straight in, but it came down quite a bit to prevent that undercut on the top side there. Now pay close attention to this last pass here. You're gonna wanna watch the top side of that puddle. Make sure you don't get any undercut, and make sure the bottom side of that puddle is covering up at least half of the previous pass. And if you do that, you shouldn't have anything to worry about. All right, here's the last tie-in of this weld. I had quite a few tie-ins on this joint, probably more than I should have, but for the sake of the video, I used 332 rods. Probably could have got away with running 3 1/8 rods and made the whole joint with no tie-ins, but there's no learning in that. So hope you like my video, and hope to see you again. Just go ahead and disregard that arc mark right there at the right of your screen. Never happened.